Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I know you thought I had fallen off the end of the earth, right? No, I haven't. We have been, I took a few days off from filming because we have been swamped with orders, and thankfully, thank you very much for your orders. And we got in all of the 5,000 sheets of paper that I ordered from Blue Fern. And I'm going to show you those now. All of you who pre-ordered, all of your orders have gone out, so you should be receiving them any day. But we do have a few sets of these left, so I'm going to show you those real quick. I'm just going to go through them and let you see up close and personal the papers that are in each kit. Now, this one is the Christmas Cheer, and there's 20 sheets in this set, and you get 2 of each design. So we're going to flip through these real quick. And as you can see, these could be used for something else other than Christmas. There's very few things on it that really scream Christmas. Most of it is just some beautiful paper. So these are Christmas Cheer, and I will link all of these below if you want to go over and check any of them out. We've got them at a really good price because we got them at a good price, so we're passing that on to you guys. That's why I ordered 5,000. Oh my goodness. There we go. Isn't that pretty? This is a really pretty collection. I'm going to be doing some things with this one later on in the day today. So that almost feels textured. Wow. And some of these I'm seeing for the first time like you are. Beautiful paper. Like I said, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on each one because if I do, it'll take me all day long. And you don't want to sit here all day long and look at papers, I don't think. And these are the good quality papers like Blue Fern has. I mean, they're really thick like a cardstock, so they'll be really good for tags and mini albums and pages, anything like that. Anything that you want to reinforce, they'd be good for. Or anything that you want to make strong, I should say. See, that could be used for anything. It's not Christmas. So there's just lots of things that you could use this one for. If you don't do a lot of Christmas, you could use it for other things. That one, you know, the only thing that I mean, I don't even see anything on here that really says Christmas. I mean, that says Let It Snow, but that it could be any time of the year. So, and I love that. Excuse me. And look how this looks like it's circled with a red pen, you know, like somebody was circling what they wanted for Christmas or something. I like that. That's cute. Okay. So that is, again, Christmas Cheer. And I only showed you 10 sheets, but you get 2 of each design, so you get 20 sheets to this bundle. Now, this one is called Spring Parade, and I know that it's not spring yet, but spring is right around the corner, so this is a beautiful paper too. We'll have to count at the end. I don't have my note right here, so I don't know how many you get in this one, but I'll count at the end and let you know. So that's this. Looks like you get 2 of each design. There's that. There's that one. Isn't that cute right there? Absolutely beautiful papers. And this one, this is just gorgeous. So spring is around the corner, so you can go ahead and get your papers now. Now these are very, very discounted because like I said, we got them at a good price, and I always try to pass any sales that I get on to you guys. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. And then this, gorgeous. I'm not a purple girl, but that is pretty.
And then these are a little 6x6, so you have 4 of them on there. You could make a little 6x6 mini album or something. Okay, so that is Spring Parade, and let's see how many we've got of those. Excuse me. Okay, there's 16 in this kit. So Spring Parade, there's 16 in this kit, 2 of each design. Now this one is called Heartland, and we've got February just around the corner, so this is a pretty Valentine. You could even use these for little cards or in your journals for journaling cards. Very pretty. And I think this one has 1 of each design in it, I do believe. But they're at such a discounted price, you could buy 2 sets if you wanted to. Look at that. Really pretty. I love this collection. It's got a lot of the colors. And I always cut these off at the bottom. And I use those too. I don't throw those away. Look at that. That's gorgeous. So you can buy your papers up and get ready for all the upcoming seasons. Really pretty. I made a mini album out of this collection before, and it is gorgeous. Now this would be pretty with a photo in it, and then this framed and put on the wall. That's just what I see when I look at this. That's just gorgeous. You couldn't do any better than that. And this one. Okay, so let's see. I think there's 10 in this. Yes, there's 10 in this set. So 10 12 by 12s. And like I said, they're at a really discounted price, so you could order 2 sets if you wanted to and have 2 of each design. Alright, this one is a mixed collection, but what we did is we tried to mix the collection and make all the papers match. So all the papers in here are coordinating. They coordinate with each other, so you can use any of this together. This one is called Attic Charm and Wanderlust. Okay, let me flip it over. I think I have it upside down. So Attic Charm, Wanderlust. This one you get 2 of each design. Look at that. See that? I love that. Love, love, love it. And isn't that pretty? So distressed looking. And that with the old map on the back. These are some old receipts and I guess railway tickets, railway bills, all of that on here. And then this. And let's flip it over this way. Isn't that pretty? Love that dress form. And then there's the back side. This one. Now, I think in this one we gave you 4 of these because we tried to put as many papers in a bundle as we could, and we got extra of these, so I think we gave you 4 because, I don't know, to me, I love this paper, so I tried to add in things that I thought you guys might like too. And then this one. Isn't that pretty? And see, even though these are from 2 separate collections, they all coordinate beautifully together. As you can see, you got a little pink, you got a little green, you got a little blue in through there. Alright, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 sheets in this collection, and it's 2 of each design. And this is the Attic Charm Wonderlust collection, and I will, or kit, and I will put that down below. And then this one is the Attic, no, this one is Heartland. Let's see, I think this one's got 3. Yeah, this has got 3 different collections in it, but they all coordinate. It's called Heartland Homespun and, let's see, Montage. So you'll look at it as you go through and you'll see what I'm talking about. So this is Heartland, isn't that pretty? And then this is Homespun. And see, they coordinate beautifully. And these are 2 of each design as well. This one. And this is Montage, but it coordinates beautifully with the others. That, I love that paper right there. I don't know, I just love that. I hope I've got extra of that so I can have a couple. Okay, and then that's Heartland as well. Isn't that pretty? Now let's see how many we have in this collection. I think there's 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 in this collection. So this again is Heartland, Montage, and Homespun. Okay, I'll have that down below as well. Okay, this one is Amber and Apricot. This is one of my favorites from Blue Fern. Absolutely love it. And I think this whole collection is the same. Amber and Apricot. There's 2 of each design. Look at that. This is going to be mini album for me. I think I saved me some of this back. This will definitely be mini album. Now, in this collection, we had a few extra sheets of this particular paper, so we threw those in the kit. Didn't charge you any more for them, but we just threw in each kit because we had some extras of these that came in. I just think this is a pretty paper, so that could be used lots of different ways. And there we go. Look at that. This is just, I don't know, it's just pretty, it's soft, it's distressed, just a combination of goodness. Look at that. I love the old bicycles and things. Alright, and then this one, that's pretty. And this, that's gorgeous. Love it. And then this one, look at the beehive up there. It's called Busy Bees, but I think it's so cute. And then there's the back. I love those old vintage ads and things. Okay, now on this one, I think there's 18 in here, but let me count and make sure. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yes, there is 18 in this kit, and it's called Amber and Apricot again. And there's 18 sheets, 2 of each design in this kit. All right, that is the Blue Fern sale that we have going on right now. We have, on some of these, we have quite a few bundles left, and on some, there's only 1 or 2. So if you're interested in a particular one, you need to go over and check it out real quick, because I know as soon as this video goes up, they'll be gone in a hurry, because there's so many people out there that are like me that love, love, love Blue Fern paper.
All right, that is what I have for you right now. I'm going to be doing some other videos today and trying to get caught up on some videos that I wanted to get done. And we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.